Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button. Your support goes a long way. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the overall crypto market cap, we are currently sitting at $947.4 billion, down 1.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 38.5%. As you guys may know, BTC dominance on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap does tend to be a little inaccurate, but as of recording this video, it is currently sitting at 41.99%. Looking at the overall markets, we are seeing a continuation of this red across the board. So nothing crazy, nothing to be very, very excited about right now. But today, guys, let's waste no more time and talk about the project that we will be discussing, the price action. Where could we be going in the immediate short term? Can you guess what project it could be? Come on, guys. Any guess? All right, I'll tell you what that project is going to be. That project is going to be none other than VRA. All right, my VRA holders, you guys know I am a supporter of VRA. I've been covering about this project since last year, since its initial launch. And right now it is making some moves and it is creating a lot of buzz within the crypto markets right now. And a lot of people are saying, is this really the time where VRA takes up and starts heading back towards the upside? That's the question on everyone's mind right now, and I will jump in and share my personal opinion, show you guys the charts, the next price levels that we should be looking at. So if you're interested in that, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and your support will go a long way. Looking at the price of VRA right now, it is currently trading at 0.004 cents. It is up 11% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. So clearly, one thing I want to point out to you guys right now, it is clearly outperforming the entire markets right now, up 11% in USD comparative, up 12.1% in Bitcoin comparative, and also up 12.1% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap right now is only sitting at $42 million. And this is one of those altcoins that are extremely low M caps and could potentially be life-changing gains worthy if they continue doing what they're doing right now. And when the next bull cycle comes, it could be one of those projects that really does quite well. And these are the projects that once you get early, if you get in early on, you can make very, very massive gains. So market cap, like I mentioned, is sitting at $42 million. But let's forget about the market cap. Let's look at the buying pressure right now. That's one thing I want to show you guys right now. It is currently at 20.4 million, and that's half of its market cap. So there's definitely some sort of buying pressure, excitement coming in, and we are seeing that within its price. So let's waste no more time and get right into the price action and see what exactly is going on with VRA and where could we be going in the immediate short term. But before we jump in, I do want to show which markets VRA is listed on right now. Or as you guys can see, it's listed on BingX, Gate.io, Buybox, OKX, Huobi, KuCoin. So one thing that we can clearly see is the fact that the liquidity is not an issue at all. It's already listed on some of the major exchanges in the cryptocurrency markets, and that's definitely something very, very nice to see and really does get me excited for this project. But we are missing one name on here. Do you know where it starts with? Binance. But we will get into that as well later on. But now let's get into the price and see what exactly is going on with the price and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see, this is the price on the daily time frame. You may be saying, Crypto ZX, what kind of chart is this? It's pretty much flattened out. What has been going on? Why are you excited? Why are you even making this update? What is so exciting about this? I'll share exactly what that is. So if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys and measure since its all-time high of 8.7 cents just this last bull cycle on October the 30th, we are down from those levels about 95%. And this is just not a VRA that's down this much. It's the entire, not entire, sorry, I take that back, but majority, like 98% of the altcoins right now are down quite a bit from all-time highs, and that's no secret. We are in a bear market, so do expect these kind of pullbacks, where they could be very, very scary. And this is where I always like showing my viewers a lesson, and I always like teaching my viewers a lesson. This is where you want to learn that being greedy is not necessary in crypto. When you're seeing these kind of massive gains, obviously, it's how humans think, and me included as well. I've been on that same boat where I would see, 200x. I've seen 200x happen, and guess what? You know what? It's going to do 1000x. And if you keep doing that, guys, then you are, being very greedy, and it's not something good to do, because at the end of the day, we are here to lock in profits, and locking in profits is the number one key in crypto, because consolidation and consolidations are always going to happen, corrections are always going to happen, so you'll always get a nice opportunity to be buying if you wanted to do that. But now let's look at the zoomed in chart. Right now, this is the daily time frame. You can't really see exactly what is going on with the price, but I will share with you what exactly is going on with VRA. So this right here is the daily time frame, but I have zoomed in the chart for you guys to really get a better understanding as to what really has been happening within its price. And as you guys can see, after this major pullback towards the downside, we have been consolidating below this level of resistance at that 0.007 cents mark since basically May 11th. We did see basically one time we tried to wick above it, and 2 times we tried to wick above it, but both times it never managed to stay above there, and since then we've still been consolidating below this level of resistance. But now comes the question, is this the time where we finally start pushing back towards the upside to this mark at that 0.004 cents mark, and is this consolidation phase, has this come to an end? That's the question a lot of people are talking about, and we can discuss that. So as you guys can see, we have seen VRA move about 12% from the lows that we have just seen a few hours ago. But in order for us to get above this level of resistance, we do need a move of about 100%, and that would be a major move for VRA. The reason being why I'm saying this is going to be a very massive move for VRA is because we've never really managed to close above this level of resistance since we have broken below it. Yes, we have tried to break out of here 2 times. Once was back on May 30th, and one was again just on August 11th, but both times you guys can see clear rejection, and this really shows you the power of this level of resistance. So could this really be the time, the third time be the charm for VRA to really start showing some strength and move towards that level of resistance? I could see that happen. Remember, the market cap is only $42 million. So, once the big players jump in, the whales jump in, it does not need much for it to really start having a major price movement within its price. So it just time is going to tell, but the overall buying pressure right now that we're seeing is very, very impressive, and I do want you guys to note that as of now. But right now it is a very undervalued in my personal opinion, because what this project is doing is very unique. It's one of the first ones in its niche, and it has been creating a lot of excitement. Last bull cycle, when it came out, when it was initial, a lot of people were getting excited about it, and it came out during a bull market. So could the second time around be different? It could be, and it's not listed on Binance. Binance is the biggest exchange in cryptocurrencies, and we've been hearing VRA is going to get listed on Binance tomorrow. VRA is going to get listed on Binance tomorrow. CZ is also a supporter of this project. So could we see Binance finally listed in this upcoming year of 2023? Is this Binance buying VRA? We never know. This could happen. I've seen that happen quite often, where KuCoin gems got listed on Binance, and and it's no secret that CZ himself is a fan of VRA as well, and that is going to help out as well. So VRA is looking very, very nice right now, but I do want it to go above this level of resistance, and we could be in for some nice movements then. BTC on the other hand, still holding on basically last lifeline right now, not looking too bullish. If we go below this level of resistance, below the 78.6, we could be in the danger zone, as I've been mentioning. And it's not that we could be in the danger zone, we're already in the danger zone. I'm not excited until we do get above 22k. But that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of VRA. Where could you see it go at the end of the next bull cycle? I would love to know your thoughts down below, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.